Hello, welcome back. Today's topic is about asking the question, how old are you? And answering it by saying, I am, years old. But this works only in English, not in French. In French, they use the verb avoir, to have. Imagine a child saying, I am 7 years old. The child wouldn't say, Je suis 7 ans. Nope. Instead, using the verb avoir, the child would say, J'ai 7 ans. Now, I'm going to go part by part. The first part is about the conjugation of avoir. J'ai. J'ai. I have. Tu as. Tu as. You have. Il a. Il a. He has. Elle a. Elle a. She has. On a. There's a liaison for this. On a. We have. Nous avons. Nous avons. The S becomes a Z sound. Nous avons, meaning we have. Vous avez. Vous avez. You have, formal and plural form. Ils ont. Ils ont. They have. Elles ont. Elles ont. They have. Now let's see the informal ways of asking how old are you? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Or tu as quel âge? Tu as quel âge? You might also hear people saying t'as quel âge? T'as quel âge? It's spoken French. Now let's see the formal ways. Quel âge avez-vous? Quel âge avez-vous? Or vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? Now the final part, the response. J'ai ans. For example, j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans. I have 25 years of age. That's all. But if you want to ask the question, how old is he or how old is she, you'd be asking the question, quel âge a-t-il? Quel âge a-t-elle? Using the T. I'll explain the last part in a different video. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, just comment them below, and I'll see you in the next video. Au revoir!